Hello friends, welcome to my channel GURMAN Marketing. I think everyone is using Gmail. Sometimes you may receive emails like this. Your Gmail is already full, please delete your drive and blah blah blah. But what is this problem? This means that in your Google Drive you have maximum space, we can say that cloud storage of only 15 GB, and rather you have to extend it and you have to pay for it. Many vloggers state that you can make a clone, you can make this, you can make this. No, please don't do anything, because if you sign up with some external software you may get hacked. Okay, so I will show you something special today. What we can do, most of students are using laptops, I think so. Please subscribe my channel, thanks a lot. So I am sharing my laptop screen with you now. It is really important to understand the concept, because everyone, I think billions of people have Google Drive. Even I have at least 10 years of photos stored in my Google Drive. So now you can see my computer screen. It's all right. First of all, I will open my Gmail with some hidden factors, and I have to hide some mails. So I have received a message today from Google that your Gmail is 77% full. Please now delete something from it. It's already 15 GB and 11.62 GB has been filled. So it's a warning message. Let's open our drive. So this is our drive. It is already full, 11.63 GB. So what we have to do, the only conclusion is we have to delete data, or we have to buy it. But wait a second, every time we have to open Google Drive. Why? We have one more option. We can download Google Drive in our computer. First of all, just write download Google Drive, the first link, install Drive for desktop, and here you will get all the options. You can download it for Windows, and even you can download it for Mac. So let's download for Windows. The setup is around 302 MB, 302 MB. It's not so big. We have to delete, but we can store the data in an external hard drive. Now it will be more easy for us to access. So that's why I am doing everything live, so that you can easily understand. Again, it's a request. If you like my videos, please subscribe to give a motivation. Thanks a lot. So it is completed. Let's open it. Okay, now it's installing. We need some external features also. So let's see. Okay, so we got a Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides on our desktop. Let's launch. So first of all, I think it will sync all my documents, maybe automatically, or may I have to do it manually. Get started. Okay, sign in. So it is authenticated. Let's have a cup of tea with this. So now we have everything on our desktop. My laptop memory is laptop storage is 256 GB. So now I have built-in storage of 256 GB for free. Let's see. Let's skip everything. Skip. Let's open any folder and desktop. Sorry, we have to go to this PC. So now I will zoom it. In my normal this PC, like this is C drive, now I have Google Drive here. Okay, now I can access anything here live from my computer. I have all my documents here. I can delete it, I can copy it, I can copy and then I can share it within my laptop hard drive. So this is a free system for everyone. Now you can copy all your data and you can save it directly in your laptop, and now Google will not send you message of that your storage is left with 4 GB, 3 GB or it is almost full. Now you can simply store and share your files directly from your PC to your Google Drive. I think this is better and best method, but at the moment I don't have any external drive and I have to go for my job. It's late night, you can see the time, 9:40 p.m. But tomorrow morning I will share my all my data within my PC and adjust it. So I will never receive a message from Gmail again that your storage, your drive is full and you have to delete your data. I think you also like this method. It is very simple. Again, I will show you in simple steps. You can open your Google Drive. This is my drive. Just you have to sync it using your email ID and password. If your email ID is already working, then just you have to simply click on Gmail, click it, and everything is done. So all of my data is all good here. We can just share it within our system and we have a drive, new drive of 15 GB extra. No problem at all. So thanks guys for watching. Hope so you liked my video. And finally, please subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comments. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.